Hello, it's another great day in real estate. Rob Roham here with Compass Real Estate. Friday, October 31st is Halloween. Happy Halloween, everyone. Do I look scary? This is my costume for the day. And just want to give a quick update about real estate. The market is doing good still. The high-end areas, Las Gatos, Saratoga, Los Altos, and what have you, are doing well. Homes are selling. Prices have held up pretty well. Other areas, San Jose, Milpitas, Blossom Valley, a little bit more challenging. Need to have a realtor with skills and experience to get those properties sold. Just taking a little bit longer, and but they're still selling. And condo townhome market is more challenging. They are having a harder time to sell, and it takes a lot more aggressive marketing and pricing and condition, location, what have you. So overall, good market. You know, it's a normal market. We've just all been spoiled because we expect everything to sell in 2 days with multiple offers. But those days are gone, and this is a normal market. Really, it's a normal market. After 35 years of doing this is what a normal market looks like. You know, homes come on the market, have a few weeks of marketing time. You got to have good price, good condition, good location, good marketing, good agent to get the job done. So if you need any help with real estate, give me a call, 408-888-5700. Rob Roham, Compass Real Estate. Have a wonderful Halloween. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye-bye.